Why are you wasting your time on YouTube when you could be building your own online business? Well, I know what you're thinking. I'm too old to do that. Not true. I started my first online business in my mid-50s, and now I have 3. I know what you're thinking. I don't have any technical skills. I don't have any know-how. Neither did I. And I learnt from step-by-step training, which I'll put a link in the bottom of this video. I know what you're thinking. I don't even have any product ideas. I haven't got a clue what I'd sell online. Neither did I. Again, it was in the step-by-step training. They'll provide you with product ideas if you don't already have any. So if you have the skills to spend money online, which I'm sure you do, then you have the skills to earn money online. The only thing is, today you're generating vast amounts of cash for somebody else, when you could also be tapping into this multi-billion-dollar a day digital revolution that's happening. The world's not going to go back to high street shopping. It's moved online, and it's about time you did. So click the button below, the learn more button, or it'll be above if you're on a PC, and it will take you to my website. You can find out a little bit about me and my journey if you're interested. Give me your contact details and I'll send you the same free video series that got me started. So what are you waiting for? You know what to do. Click the button, stop wasting time on YouTube, and start building online income streams. See you on the other side.